Hey everyone! Waving hand, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever reached the end of the month wondering, where did all my money go? This video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a monthly budget that actually works. A realistic system that helps you take control of your money without feeling restricted. So grab a notebook or open your budgeting app and let's get started.
Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a budget? A budget is simply a plan for how you'll spend and save your money. It's not about restriction, it's about direction. But here's the thing. Most people's budgets fail because they're either too complicated, unrealistic, or they forget to track what they actually spend. There are 8 reasons why budgets fail. 1. Unrealistic expectations. People set overly strict budgets that don't match their real lifestyle. Example, trying to cut eating out to 0 when you usually do it 3 to 4 times a week. 2. Ignoring irregular expenses. Only focusing on monthly bills and forgetting quarterly or annual costs. Example, car insurance, subscriptions, gifts. These, surprise, expenses break the budget later. 3. No flexibility built in. Budgets that don't leave room for unexpected costs lead to guilt and abandonment when something goes wrong. 4. Lack of tracking. Making a budget once, but not reviewing or tracking spending regularly. A budget isn't set it and forget it. 5. Not involving everyone. If you share finances, but only one person is budgeting, the plan won't stick. Everyone needs to be on the same page. 6. Vague goals. Budgeting without a clear why, e.g., saving for a trip, paying off debt, makes it easier to give up when things get tough. 7. Impulse spending/emotional spending. Even a perfect budget can fail if spending habits don't change. Emotional or stress spending can quickly blow the plan. 8. Too complicated. Overly detailed spreadsheets or apps discourage people from sticking to the plan. Simplicity helps consistency. A working budget is one that fits your lifestyle and helps you reach your financial goals, not one copy from someone else on the internet. Step 1 is simple. Know how much money you actually make each month. This means calculating your net income, what you take home after taxes and deductions. If you have a regular job, that's your monthly paycheck. If you freelance or have multiple income sources, take an average of you. For example, your salary is $2,800. You make $200 extra from side hustles. Total monthly income equals $3,000. This is your starting point, your money in. Step 2. Next, you need to track where your money goes. You can't fix what you can't see, and most people underestimate how much they spend. There are 2 main types of expenses. 1. Fixed expenses. Things that stay the same every month, like rent, internet, or subscriptions. 2. Variable expenses. Things that change, like groceries, fuel, eating out, or entertainment. Example, rent, $1,000. Groceries, $400. Utilities, $150. Subscriptions, $50. Transportation, $200. Fun and dining, $150. Total expenses equals $1,950. That means from your $3,000 income, you have $1,050 left for savings, debt, and future goals. Step 3. Use the 50/30/20 rule. You know your income and expenses. It's time to create structure. One of the easiest and most effective methods is the 50/30/20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, food, bills, transportation. 30% goes to wants: entertainment, dining out, shopping. 20% goes to savings or debt repayment. For example, if you earn $3,000, $1,500 needs, $900 wants, $600 savings or debt. This balance gives you freedom while keeping your financial goals on track. Step 4. Adjust and stick to it. The truth is your first budget won't be perfect. You'll overspend in some areas and underspend in others. That's okay. Budgeting isn't a one-time task. It's a habit. At the end of each month, review your spending and adjust. If groceries are costing too much, find small ways to cut back. If you saved extra, great, put it toward your emergency fund or debt. Pro tip: automate your bills and savings. Set up automatic transfers for rent, utilities, and savings so you don't have to rely on memory or motivation. Step 5. Make it fun and rewarding. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. Turn it into a challenge. Try a no-spend weekend or reward yourself when you hit a savings goal. Remember, the goal isn't to restrict your life. It's to free yourself from money stress. When you have a plan, every dollar has a purpose, and that's real financial peace. So that's how you can create a monthly budget that actually works. Start small, track everything, and adjust each month. You'll be surprised how quickly your finances improve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest budgeting challenge right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.